Government has released, what you saying?
No, go.
New protocol which will allow for COVID positive people in isolation to go out to vote in the special services poll today or during Thursday's general election on September 3. Members of the security forces and election day workers will vote today. In a statement released shortly after midnight, the Office of the Prime Minister said people in isolation will only be allowed to vote between the hours of 4 and 5 and under strict guidelines. 1, they have to notify the Health and Wellness Ministry at the One Love number, 8881 Love number. Fitted mask is to be worn over the nose and mouth, a face shield, gloves, and disposable gown. Gloves.
Huh?
Gloves. Social distancing of 6 feet from other persons. Private transportation must take you to the polling station. I don't know.
I wonder who is going to be there to ensure that all that's done. The other thing, you know...
people at the polling station is going to have on hazmat too?
That's what I'm
How are you
saying.
going to be
I
protected?
don't know who's going to be there.
And is a 1 hour window enough time for them to vote?
I don't know. And do they have to provide all these things for themselves, or will when you get to the polling station, will they provide these for you? The other thing that's a little concerning to me is the folks who are supposedly in quarantine, in isolation, that are not in quarantine. We recently had a party that some people were there and they were not in the country for 14 days. They were not in the country for even 7 days. I had a young man at school, he's on scholarship, and he called me and says, you know, if he can come train when we were doing, because everything is called off now, when we were doing the youngsters on scholarship. And I said, yeah, sure, you can, you know. And I said, when you came home, by the way? And he wasn't here 14 days. And apparently he was out and about, so that I don't understand, because that's one of the problems, because they're also saying you cannot have any symptoms, but you can still be passing it to someone. So you really don't know. You don't know. You can't say, no, I'm good. Well, you really don't know. So I've said it every single morning. Let's be sensible. Let's be responsible. Let's be disciplined. See if we can get the better of this, because we have to. We have to get the better of this.